are you? And okay, shall we make some orange juice?
Yes.
Okay, so number 1. Orange.
Cô làm cái trang mới ạ cô.
What is it? It's an
Olive.
good. Okay, step number 2. What do? We twist and turn. Twist and turn. Twist and turn. Twist and turn. Very good. Twist and turn. Twist and turn. Okay, let's see if we're finished. Finished. Good. Shh. Okay, now we're going to take our squeezer off so we have our bowl filled with orange juice. What is it? It's that's good. What is it? It's water. Good. Take our water and put some in our glass. You can use all of this water. Very good. Okay. And now we're going to put our glass full of water into our orange juice. Shh. Oh, like this. Good. Nice, Elsa. Very quick. Okay. Now, step number 3. We need our sugar. It's sugar. It's sugar. Okay, we need 1 cup full of sugar. So can you do that for me, please? We put it into our bowl of orange juice and water. Good. Thank you. Okay, now, what is it? It's and we're going to mix. Okay. Say mixing. Mixing. Okay? Should we try? Okay. So now we're going to take our juice into our glass. Woo! Good. Elsa, what is it? It's orange juice. What is it? It's orange juice. You want to try? Try? I'm thirsty. Okay, good. Good, Elsa.